And good morning as we take a look at the market trade. I'm Susan Littlefield on the Rural Radio Network. Of course, we are broadcasting today from Commodity Classic, which is underway in Houston, Texas. But it's time for us to really focus on what's going on within this livestock complex. And actually sitting next to me is Kyle Bumsted with Allendale. Kyle, let's take a look at what's going on in the markets. You made a comment to me. All this negativity is really the fact that we just need to get some cattle sold.
Oh, that's right, Susan. We started trading cattle last night at 182 to 183 in Kansas and Texas, and I think that the bulls were looking for that 184 to 185 mark here, and they didn't quite get it. However, since we've seen a little bit better cash trade, we've seen 183 to 183 and a half here in Nebraska, and some light 184 trading as well. I think that's what's bounced the futures about $1.50 off the lows here. So the big number to close above is going to be 185.90 here on that April live cattle contract. Now, here in just a few minutes, here in about 50 minutes, we have the February live cattle contract going off the board. So that's that's going to play a few shenanigans there, but there could still be some deliveries happen there. Feeder cattle about $1.50, $1.75 off their lows as well. That index looks like it's going to be down about 50 cents here today. So to round out the week, I'm really watching that April feeder cattle board here on the weekly chart here. It does look like we're going to post a negative week here, so we do need to keep our eyes on that as far as that April feeder cattle board. That one there is really one to keep an eye on here as we wrap up the week, Susan.
All right, sounds good. Of course, like you mentioned, we're going to see February going off the board as we wrap up this hour. Kyle Bumsted, by the way, happens to be here. You've got a booth here real quick. I'm going to mention that. You are here at Commodity Classic with Allendale.
Yes, we are. We are here at we're here at Commodity Classic, so stop on by and take our yield survey, and we'll have that data out here in a couple of weeks.
All right, Kyle Bumsted has been joining us today. Just a quick reminder, commodity futures and options do involve a substantial risk of loss, not suitable to all investors. That's what we're seeing as we get closer to this mid-session on the day with the livestock trade. You're listening to the Rural Radio Network.